Emily from the Minimalist Mama, and today I'm back again with my friends Kimmy and Bree.
In my disgusting basement.
We are back in the basement. We want to finish up the room we started last time, but Kimmy has a big garage sale coming up. So that's kind of shifted our priorities here to focus on clearing up these other two rooms to get ready for the big sale. So Kimmy, what is our goal this time?
Well, our goal this time would be to get rid of a lot. And just kind of organize and make sure things are in their own places.
Sure.
Spaces.
And we want to sort out garage sale, and then you're thinking a Facebook Marketplace category.
Donate.
And then a
Donate.
And there probably will be trash. Yeah. Are you guys ready to dive in?
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Let's start with the room right behind us. So this is Kimmy's guest room, which we're going to change into a dual function room whose purpose we will reveal a little bit later. So all of the stuff we'd cleaned out from the storage side that was supposed to be donated made its way into here, and so we needed to take care of that and then go through everything, set aside all of the sentimental items that were mixed in with the things that were for the garage sale and Facebook Marketplace, and just get that all organized. So anything left will have a permanent home,
Right.
place where it belongs.
I hope so.
Okay. That's the goal.
Yeah. I think in here for now, I would like to keep all books in there.
Mm-hmm.
Just because Ryan is going to have a studio. And maybe use it someday. Because I love the base. I mean, I love it if it's, you know, fixed. Yeah.
But-
if it's, like, couldn't it be cool with a big lampshade? If Ryan fixes it.
But like, how much fixing is involved? Like rewiring it? If you have to buy parts to fix it, it's probably not worth it.
I think it's just a matter of tightening.
Do you have a light bulb we can test it with?
Yeah, it works.
It does. Okay.
Pretty sure it still works. I guess we could try. I got it from.
Seems very loosey-goosey.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like not solid down here either.
Okay, those noises don't sound good.
No.
Am I gonna get electrocuted? We were using it in our apartment. Okay, so I got it from a cabin that we were staying at for a work retreat. And I like saw it and it's like, if I paint that, I will love it. And it was back when I like orange. Okay, everyone, here we go. Are you ready? Am I gonna get electrocuted? 1, 2, 3. Oh, guys, just think. Couldn't that be really cool?
Are you really going? I mean, I
If
like
I
the
fix
question.
it-
If you fix it up, the
Yes.
question is, are you going to fix it up?
And
Yes, if I find the right
but
lampshade, I
also think
would.
about it. Where are you going to put it?
Not this lampshade,
that
guys.
one.
Not this lampshade at home. But just to give you an idea,
Where would you put it?
to find this size of a lamp would cost like $150. So my thought was to put it like in the family room or in this room, or even if it's really cool and Ryan fixes up and I paint it like a nice grayish, put it in
Upstairs?
the living room somewhere.
Okay.
Seems like another project.
Dare you
I
to
like
fix
projects.
it. We'll have to domestic dare you to do it.
Yeah, there you go.
Guys, but imagine like a cooler, like a
I can see it.
Yeah, I can see it. Absolutely. You just gotta execute.
Yeah. No,
Okay.
I totally will. I've actually been looking for lampshades big enough, but I haven't found one yet. So.
Okay. I say it can stay for now.
Yes.
Leave a comment down below. Do you think the lamp should stay or go?
Well, no, I want to keep them. I already did this with Bree, but I don't know where to put them. Remember Bree? Because this one I made for my church. This one I made for my old church. This one is just one that I want to keep because of drift. And then this is my camp minted when I went on that creative retreat.
Right. Need a diaper bag or a...
No, I don't.
beach
I
bag
literally
or
don't need a bag.
Yeah.
I just want them. Can we think about it?
We can think about it. But I'm leaning toward you just take a picture of it and look, sell the bags.
But I want it all. From like 5 years ago. No, 2018, whatever that is.
Yeah.
Because I'm so cool. I haven't created anything for Minted in like 5 years.
I would say keep the Camp Minted bandana and maybe we could even frame it and put it up.
I'm not gonna frame this.
You aren't?
No.
Well, if it's not special enough to frame, why would you want to keep it to even like look at it?
I don't know. Could it be a cute headband tie?
Like you never use this.
Like if my hair was up cute, but let's pretend it's up cute.
Ready to go somewhere? Would you ever grab a Camp Minted headscarf to wear?
If my colors were orange and cream.
Which they're not. This black and white.
Can we just think of, let's revisit this.
Okay.
At the end of the
Come back
night.
to it. Sure.
Okay.
I need to fix that.
Yeah, they're all broken.
You want to keep this?
Well, I wanted a dresser for the guest bedroom.
But now that it's becoming podcast room.
Well, it's still gonna be half and half.
But if it's broken.
What I'm saying is, yeah, Ryan just needs to fix them. It's not ugly, so
it's
it,
not.
like if we can use it. If, but my point is, like, it also looks good. Like it's a table.
Right.
Don't forget about this tall one.
Oh, they
You don't have
match?
to use both in this room, but I'm just
okay.
just remember.
Then we can have like all our microphones and all our cords and stuff
Right.
in one location.
This one's kind of broken too. Well, not all of the drawers, but some. That's why we
Which
got
one
rid of
is
them.
less broken?
These were ours in our bedroom,
Yeah.
and they drove me nuts. That's why we got new ones. No, this bed is so rough. You guys don't know. Well, you know his twin brother. This is his bed from as being a high schooler.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know what
It's
that
like
thing
a
is
million
from.
years old.
It's a million years old. Oh,
Should we
you want to
get it
get rid
out?
of it right now?
Yeah.
I would rather wait and just keep, because we're gonna have a bed here.
We
I
can
know.
Get it ready.
I don't know for sure. Right? I'm saying this is what I want to do, but Ryan and I haven't talked about getting rid of this mattress. So I think for now, let's just keep it here, and then when Ryan and I do the switch, then we'll switch it and take it to the dump. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. But if we get it close to out the door, then it'll be easier.
Yeah, I get that, but
It's so old. We should not have people sleeping on a mattress then.
we're not gonna have anyone sleeping on it. But I'm just saying, I don't want to. I don't have room for it in that room.
Promise to get rid of it.
We're gonna get rid of it. I promise. So I think what makes the most sense is take, as much as this rug looks nice in here, I think it'll look really great in there once that room's cleaned out.
Are we gonna be able to figure that room out tonight?
I don't know. When I get a new rug. You know what rug would look good in here? Olive charcoal.
We have a thing for rugs. The three of us, we're always shopping for rugs, and Leloy rugs are our favorite. Both Bree and Kimmy own an olive charcoal, and there's a funny story behind that. But you're gonna have to listen to the podcast, which I will link below, to hear that story. In the meantime, it's time to tackle this room, which will eventually become the family room. Note to the date. 2017. So last time when we worked on Kimmy's storage room, I tried to convince her to get rid of a bunch of these boxes that were for her baby stuff because I told her it's such a pain to try to get things back into their original box, and in the meantime they're just hanging around taking up space. But she didn't believe me.
Finish strong, Kimmy. It's gonna take you 3 minutes. What are you doing? Just putting your things back in your precious spot.
And yet you just want to keep them.
No, that's why I don't want to get rid of things. I want to keep the cardboard so I don't have to deal with the cardboard. Okay?
But then out of the blue, strolls down the boulevard. But your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead.
You want this white paint and roller?
Well,
Solidified.
I don't think I
That's not going out.
can use that again.
Say your catchphrase.
You're done.
Stage with all the best, lot of good it did for me. I've walked the wall of China, walked till my feet were sore. Came home to Carolina and found my love next door.
I don't know if it's alive or dead.
It's probably dead. Should I touch it?
No! I don't want to see it crawl. But look at those ones. Oh.
Come on, Emily, you can do
This
it.
had a really long thing.
You can do it.
Okay. I can't get them all. There's too many.
Content!
Oh my gosh.
I'm man for a blue-eyed girl. What do you know? Somehow all that I've been longing for was found.
You ready? All right, here he comes. Look in the shirt first.
Holy smokes.
Watch the shore. Got Trevor's story Shakespearean. Still I found my love.
It's all ready for you to renovate.
Oh, yeah. Sounds great. You guys are wonderful. Thank you so much. Fantastic.
But you didn't even see
You're gonna
the,
check out that room.
Oh, yeah?
the coolest.
Somehow that I've been longing for was found right here.
Whoa. That's a cool space, man. The podcast studio.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
This is it.
And we even have the soundproofing.
Yeah, good. It's wonderful.
Isn't it such a crazy transformation?
Yeah, it is.
You remember what it looked like before?
I'm trying to like get my bearings here, yeah.
Well,
There was a
basically-
big bed
Yeah.
here.
and junk.
Stuff on
Yeah,
that
like,
side,
you couldn't
stuff on this side.
Walk through here. There was like,
Mm-mm.
like you literally had to come in like this. And like do the whole dance and like get your tiptoes and like do the light and then like
lava.
shimmy and then it like kind of opened up here
Yep.
and then go down here every like once a week to get books and go back upstairs. Oh, this is great.
Well, we haven't tackled the closet yet,
Yeah,
but
we will.
And a few of those books we could do away with.
Yeah, you should go through it before the garage sale.
I don't know about that.
Just, picture us sitting, podcasting.
mm-hmm.
Welcome to the dwelling place.
Sure.
Without a rug.
Yeah.
Because I don't like saying podcast. So we have started a podcast. It's called the Dwelling Place Podcast. So this is our new setup, and we are very excited to have a designated spot.
Instead of doing it in my bedroom, so I have to make sure I clean every week before you guys come over.
But now, every week when we come over to record, we'll be following up on how your basement.
Yeah.
Oh no. I didn't think about that.
Hopefully by getting it like this cleaned up and now knowing everything is in a place where it belongs for the most part. So anything that gets dumped is going to be obvious that it's not in the right space. So I think it has a higher chance of staying clean.
Yeah. No, that's a good point.
Just remember when you're bringing stuff down here to put away, don't put it down, put it away.
No, I need to do it right when I'm bringing it down. That is my problem.
Yeah.
Because I'm usually in a rush. I'm like, oh, just put it there and I'll deal with it later. And then all of a sudden I have a room where you can't even walk in.
Yeah. And then it takes a lot longer.
Because Bree helped me clean this room about 1.5 years ago.
Yep.
And it just accumulated over that time. I'm like in awe. At the same time, I kind of had a feeling that you guys would like, you know,
Get it done.
you'd get it done, and also like, I mean, this is better than I imagined, but I also imagined that it would probably be pretty cool. But because you guys are awesome, like I saw how you guys helped me last time, and so I'm not like super surprised, but I'm also just like pumped, like excited about it.
Don't put it down.
Okay,
Put it away.
I won't.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and especially since
Where do you point? I don't know where you point.
If you haven't seen the first video we did in Kimmy's basement, you gotta check that out. I'll have that linked at the end of this video, and we hope to see you again.
Bye.
Welcome to the dog.
With posing for a photo for the thumbnail, which I'll just take the screenshot.
Hold on. Okay, so you're
It's just gonna be
screenshotting.
video, and I'll take a screenshot.
Oh,
from the
okay,
video
so let's
later.
do it.
Okay.
Your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there?
Hopefully I get some good ones.